We've all been there. You're trying to assess your application inventory, but the data is a mess. Some apps have no version numbers. Others are mistyped, outdated, or vague. And yet, everyone expects you to know what to patch first. In this video, I'll show you how we tackle that problem using an agentic AI approach, where one lead agent coordinates a team of specialized agents to get results, even when the data is incomplete or inconsistent. Hi, I'm Keith Mangold, Senior Advisor with LSA Digital. This video is one in a series of AI solution design demos, each one tackling different sizes and scopes of problems. Today's focus, a small solution for messy application data. I've been helping teams modernize enterprise systems for over 20 years, and this is the first step in exploring how agentic AI can drive real, usable outcomes in IT operations. And yes, this is my AI avatar. I don't love being on camera. What we're really showing here is a new model for AI. Not just ask a model and get an answer, but an autonomous system that understands the task and directs other agents to complete it. This kind of agentic AI doesn't wait for perfect data or human babysitting. It takes initiative, applies rules, makes fallback assumptions, and explains its decisions as it works. We'll use a messy data cleanup scenario to demonstrate how this agentic AI implementation works. Let's start with the kind of application list we often see in the real world. Things like Adobe Reader XV10.112, ServiceNow spelled incorrectly, Cisco AnyConnect VPN 4.7, or AWS Lambda Func Controller. Not exactly clean CMDB records. Now, instead of relying on perfect input, we give this list to a lead AI agent. This lead agent is given a simple user goal: figure out which apps are risky and what should be patched first. From there, it decides what needs to be done and delegates work to other agents based on context. This is the core idea of agentic AI, autonomous systems working together with the lead agent orchestrating outcomes. Let's walk through how that plays out. The first subagent, component cleanup, cleans and standardizes the component names. It corrects typos, expands abbreviations, and assigns a confidence level to each result. If it can't confidently match something, it flags it for review. Next, the score criticality agent checks for known vulnerabilities. If version numbers are missing, it applies fallback rules like assuming the version is 2 years old or unpatched. These business rules are configurable and always logged transparently. Then the patch prioritization agent takes over. It combines the threat level, version assumptions, and business context to rank each component based on urgency. Even when the input is imperfect, it gives us a clear, prioritized patch list with reasons included. We've even added a CV enrichment agent that connects to NIST and other databases, using cleaned names and fuzzy matching to find official vulnerability records when available. If no results are found, it explains why. To visualize this, I created a simple mural diagram that shows the decision paths behind the scenes, how the lead agent directs the process, how fallback logic is applied, and how each decision is either executed or deferred. The agentic AI solution we're discussing in this video is intentionally small in scope, so a mural board works well for illustrating the logic and flow. For larger enterprise-scale solutions, we typically use IT modeling tools like AirES and Alphabet to capture more complex processes, governance, and system interactions. This is what we mean by agentic AI. It's not a black box. It's a transparent, flexible, and extensible system that delivers results, even when the data isn't perfect. It doesn't just answer a question, it drives a process. Let's take a look at what that final output looks like. A clean, auditable list of applications, matched names, CVE scores, patch priorities, and notes explaining what logic was used along the way. And all of this was triggered by a simple, human-friendly prompt: figure out which apps are risky and what should we patch first. In a future video, I'll take you under the hood. We'll explore how the agents are configured in N8N, how they share context, and how you can build your own workflows to adapt to your environment and business rules. But for now, just remember, messy data isn't the end. With the right system, it's just the beginning.